At last, we're down to the home stretch, reviewing the RHCE requirements from the exam prep guide for the installation and configuration portion of the exam. The first requirement is to install packages for various network services. It's most easily done during the installation process, so pay careful attention to what you're told to install during your exam. And when you get to this point in the installation process, make sure to select the Customize Now option. Select Next to continue. And on the left-hand pane, you'll be able to select Servers, which reveals options for server installation in the right-hand pane. Just to review, the DNS name server package group installs the Berkeley Internet Name Daemon service. The FTP server package group installs the VSFTP service. The Legacy Network server package group includes a set of optional packages, such as that for the remote shell, the Telnet server, as well as the TFTP or Trivial File Transfer Protocol server. That can be significant because it's often used for PXE-based network installations. Next, the Mail server package group. By default, installs the SendMail mail server, but does not install the Postfix mail server by default, so you may want to make changes if you prefer Postfix over SendMail. The Network Servers package group also provides a choice of different network packages, including DHCP, Kerberos, and NIS, the Network Information Service server. The News server package group, when selected, installs the Internet News Network server. The Printing Support package group, active by default, installs the CUPS or Common Unix Print System service. The Server Configuration Tools package group allows you to install a number of different Red Hat-based GUI tools. They can help you configure various services. If you have trouble remembering how to configure the configuration file directly from the command line, the Web Server package group installs the Apache Web Service. And if you need to create a secure HTTP server, make sure the default mod_SSL package is also installed. Finally, the Windows File Server package group installs the Samba service along with supporting packages. Select the network services you need during the installation process, and your task will be easier during your exam.